Good morning to all. This class we will discuss about shell molding. Shell molding process replaces conventional sand molding process. So previous class we discussed the conventional sand molding process, the various stages involved in the conventional sand mold. So here the shell molding process entirely differ from that conventional sand mold. The shell molds made up of relatively thin, rigid cells approximately uniform wall thickness. So you have to follow some procedures. Finally, we get that uniform wall thickness. These types of facilities is not available in that conventional sand mold process. Conventional sand mold process. Shell molding process, the one by one step we will discuss. Metal pattern having the profile of the record casting is heated 180 to 250 degrees Celsius and oven and maintained 300 to 400 degrees Celsius. What type of component we need? The particular shape you have to prepare with the support of machining in metal. So initially metal pattern having the profile have to prepare, then the particular metal pattern is heating some temperature and maintain some temperature in the oven. After being heated is taken out in the oven and sprayed with the solution of lubricating agent is called as a release agent containing silicone. So because to prevent the stick from that necessary place. So prevent the cell from sticking to the metal pattern. So this is that pattern. This is the dump box. This is the resin sand mixture. It's a clamp. So it's then turned face down and clamped over the open end of the dump box. Here that this is that open end that already I said the particular heated metal pattern is placed and that clamped. So dump box contains sand resin mixture. For example, 1 kg you have to take that sand, have to mix with that 4 to 6 kg of phenol formaldehyde resin. So this proportions only to give that record shape and size with that uniform wall thickness. So now the dump box is inverted. Dry sand resin mixture falls to the face and already the metal pattern is heated. The resin sand mixture is available. Now the dump box is inverted. The resin sand mixture is contact with the patterns heated of the resin softens and fuses to form soft uniform cell thickness to be produced on the particular side. Here this is already I said dump box is inverted. That the resin sand mixture is contact with that heated metal pattern. So metal pattern on the surface of the pattern. Now the dump box is turned here that now the dump box is turned. It's the original position. The excess sand motion falls back into the dump box. And the excess sand resin mixture is falls into the back. Pattern along with the cell in an oven to 1 to 2 minutes. Next, the particular pattern with the resin sand mixture take from the dump box and keep it that oven 1 to 2 minutes because of the resin sand mixture cures to get the good harden. When the resin sand mixture cures and shell acquires rigidity. Shell removed from the pattern plate with the help of finally this particular pattern, this is the pattern, have to remove with that the ejector pen. Here you have to take that two cells, two cells. So with the support of clamp, then tightly have to close this is flask. Then you have to pour the molten metal. You get that acute shape. So get the finally you get that uniform shell of that pattern. What are the advantages of shell molding? Shell mold made castings possess excellent surface finish. So surface finish was good compared to that sand casting process. Less foundry space. So here we have to use less space is sufficient to produce that shell molding. Cells can be stored. If you want in future, you have to prepare and have to store in that shell molding. It will be helpful in that future purpose. Shell molding can be mechanized. It's possible. How to use to mechanize it, how to use that mass production to do that with the support of mechanism. Cell possess permeability is higher than the other types of mold. So permeability is one of that sun molding properties. When that cell have the permeability, then only to allow the molten metal gases to outside that environment, then only the pattern will be get that good shape and size with defect-free component. Disadvantage: sun molding is uneconomical, so expensive. So compared to that sand casting, because we have to use that resin sand mixture, it's not suitable for small scale production. So castings weighing up to 10 kg, it's only to possible. So this is that shell molding. With the support of shell molding process, we have to produce that various components. Thank you.